you lazy rugrats! Those machines aren't gonna fix themselves!
I am only gone and I'm doing just fine. Working 14 hours on the assembly line. Small hands, big danger, fast machines. The worst childhood that you've ever seen.
Factory life. I'm small enough to fit beneath the wheel, crawling on the floor under moving steel. I pick up the loose cotton in the dust before the gears grind and the engines bust. I'm a human vacuum, danger on the knob. What is the name of this terrifying job?
A scavenger!
A scavenger.
A scavenger!
A scavenger!
I'm only gone and I'm doing just fine. Working 14 hours on the assembly line. Small hands, big danger, fast machines. The worst childhood that you ever seen.
Factory life. Down in the coal mine, sitting in the black, I open up the door for the wagon on the track. I sit alone in silence, I never see the sun, acting like a doorstop, which isn't very fun. I trap the air inside so the miners can breathe. What is my job title underneath?
A trapper!
A trapper!
I'm only down and I'm doing just fine. Working 14 hours on the assembly line. Small hands, big danger, fast machines. The worst childhood that you've ever seen.
Factory life. The government finally said, this isn't cool. Kids should be playing or sitting in a school. In 1833, they passed a major rule banning little kids from being a tool. It limited our hours, that's a fact. What is the name of this famous act?
The Factory Act! The Factory Act! The Factory Act!
The Factory Act.